Guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. We got new stuff for the Dyna, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna open up. I got some gold fork tubes. We're gonna change up the Dyna a little bit. So I got these from Get Lower website. The gold forks are from hard drive. So we got the gold forks and the Dyna. They're fast shipping and everything. Came in clutch. So tomorrow we're gonna finish off the video. I just want to do an unboxing for you guys. But I also wanted to show you guys the gold forks. I got them in the 49mm. Stock forks for the Dyna, just different color. Right now you can't really see them, but I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Let's just open up the other one to show you guys. Alright, so we got both of the forks right here. .49mm. So later on we're going to show you guys what they look like on the bike once they get installed. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping off the bike to Imzz Elite in orange. And we're going to put a suspension on it. The suspension's going to be from Legends front suspension. So they're going to be taking care of this for me, and I'll show you guys right now the suspension unboxing for that. Alright guys, so we got here the front suspension from Legends. We're going to be throwing it on the gold forks over here. So just to switch up and get a better ride, we're going to put the Legends front suspension on there. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Their presentation box, it's pretty cool. So we got all the pieces that we're gonna need for the upgrade suspension, your obviously your install guide and stuff, your instructions. It's pretty easy, but I just feel like I said, they're gonna do a better job than I am, so I'm gonna let them handle this. But let me show you guys the front suspension. So it comes with the fork oil, and they're gonna handle that. And this is a Legends front suspension. So I'll be dropping this off tomorrow morning. I'm gonna take you guys for the ride and drop off the bike. They'll take care of the job for me. That's the unboxing for the Legends front suspension. I'll be taking it tomorrow morning to Imzz Elite. And as you guys saw, the gold forks. Let me know what you guys think for the gold color on the Dyna. Just trying to make it stand out a little bit. Stay tuned tomorrow. Same vlog, different day. I'll be taking it to Imzz Elite. And I'm sure, 100% for sure, they're gonna do a good job on the install, better than I am. So see you guys tomorrow on the GoPro. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Same vlog, different day. Yesterday we did the unboxing on the Legend suspension. Today I'm on my way to Imzz Elite to drop off the bike. I'm gonna let them handle the install for the suspension because I don't have all the right tools for it, and I feel like they'll do a better job than I will. So we're on our way to Imzz Elite right now and drop off the bike, and we got all the parts in the truck, so we'll be dropping off the bike pretty soon. We're gonna be doing another unboxing. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna be going on a road trip again. We're actually riding the bike this time, so that's all I'm gonna say for the next unboxing. Hopefully you guys can guess, see what it is. So if you guys are not familiar with Imzz Elite, they're located in Orange County. They work on Harleys. They sell aftermarket parts and stuff like that. We're at Imzz Elite. Let me reverse park this bitch. So yeah, we'll pick up the vlog right now. We'll go talk to the guys really quick. See you guys. Alright guys, welcome back. Obviously, same vlog, different day. I'm rushing like always. I'm gonna go get a haircut, my guy. Oh, this is the same spot. Play back the video where I said I would never get a Harley, that we're pimping in the Jigzer. This is the spot right here. Obviously, you guys saw when I wrote it to Imzz Elite. Shout outs to Imzz Elite for the great work, great customer service, guys. Check them out if you guys are in Orange County. If you need any work done on your Harley, hit them up, see if they're busy or not. They can do it. But yeah, guys, for sure. I just wanted to close off today's video with a quick ride and really test out the front suspension. Again, I got the Legends front suspension for the Dyna. Have you guys seen the old suspension on the Dynas? My bike's a 2017. It's like a big time upgrade suspension, if you ask me. I did do the unboxing. You guys saw the cartridges that you slide in on the fork tubes, and you can tell it's a big ass upgrade. Like, depending how aggressive you ride, or if you just, you know, riding through town or whatever. I'm not sure if you're supposed to feel the difference right away, but we're gonna try to see if we get some bumpy roads. Maybe no potholes, because I don't want to get a flat tire. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and close out the video for you guys, and maybe I'll show you guys the gold forks that I got. Speaking of gold forks, I ordered a different set of gold forks, and they came in damaged. I don't know if it's the people that made the forks. It's their fault. They might have dropped it while trying to put them in the box or ship them out or whatever, or if it was the UPS or the post office fault for just like not handling the delivery correctly. Who knows? I'm not blaming or pointing fingers at nobody, guys, but it's pretty fucked up because I had the box sitting for like a week. I was just waiting for the last minute to like do the unboxing. I was just waiting for last minute, and I also was waiting to see when did Imzz Elite was gonna have time for the install, so I could take in the bike and see if I can get it done within the same day, or at least next day. And yeah, they did it. Shout outs to them for that. So anyways, yeah, back to the forks. I fucking waited last minute for the forks to do the unboxing on everything, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So there I go, fucking unboxing, right? And I fucking find out that the fork's bent.
And I was like, oh shit. I was like, maybe since it's kind of like higher up where you screw in the cartridge, it's not gonna be a big issue. But then I took it, dropped off the bike, dropped off the parts, and yeah, they're all like, yeah, we're not gonna be able to use it. We're not gonna be able to use it. They're bent and they're gonna leak, and fork oil comes out easy. Any oil on the bike, they leak regardless. And I was like, oh fuck. Luckily, shout outs to them. They fucking had they carry a lot of stuff for Harleys, not just Dynas. Hit them up. I'm sure you guys know Imzz Elite. Anyways, they did have gold forks. It was a different color, which I kind of like better than the ones I originally got. They're like, yeah, we have some. I was like, well, fuck it, say less. Install those bitches on there, and then I'm gonna return the other ones that are damaged. I'm still in the process of doing that. But yeah, guys, point and the moral to the story is don't wait for the last minute to do the unboxing. Check out the stuff, especially if it's gonna be an install. Don't wait last minute to fucking do the unboxing. It kind of sucks because then at the moment you're like, well, fuck, I'm gonna have to wait to do the return. And what about if you had an appointment to drop off your bike? You guys get what I'm going with all this and shit. Well, that's what happened to me. Luckily, they had different gold forks. I was just gonna say, if they don't have the gold forks, I'll just go with the same forks, the stock forks that I have, fork tubes. I was like, well, fuck it, just put the cartridges on there and shit, you know, whatever. But luckily, fucking Imzz Elite came in clutch, and we're able to fucking handle the job, man. I appreciate you guys. If you guys are watching, you know, big shout out to Imzz Elite. But yeah, that's a little rant that I wanted to do. Fuck, it's crazy because I waited for the last minute to find out that the forks are all fucked. I mean, I'm not blaming anybody. I'm not disappointed, but I wish I would have unboxed it earlier and just waited for, I don't know what I was waiting for to do the unboxing video to find out that they're bent. So again, if you guys are fucking doing videos on unboxings and shit, and you know it's a product that's gonna go on your bike, check out the product just in case something comes out defective, you know. There's nothing much else I can say. I mean, I could keep on ranting, but the video was for the suspension. I will be doing a follow-up video, review video on the suspension for you guys, so stay tuned. I'll give it like 1,000, 2,000 miles, see how that goes. Next video, stay tuned. We got more unboxings, we got more reviews. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure, if you guys like content, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are OGs to the channel, thank you guys for supporting the channel and being part of the channel. Appreciate you guys. Again, if you guys want to cop the merch, I'm gonna play the little website on there, put the link down below. Much appreciated. If not, just like it, comment, say what's up. You know, shout outs to everybody that's watching us out of the country. Sheesh. I don't know if it's shaky, but it's a bumpy ass road. As you guys can see, it's construction work all over the fucking street, and I'm testing out the suspension without even wanting to. You guys are badass. Thank you guys for watching the videos, and let us know what you guys want to see next. Anyways, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.